Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change profile picture on Meta Business Suite. So all you have to do is head over to business.facebook.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. So next is click on your profile. Then just beside your profile, just click on business settings, this gear type icon. In the left panel, click on business info. Then click on edit. As you can see here, you can edit your portfolio picture. Just click on it. You can drag and drop your profile picture here or you can choose a file on your device. Just select the photo that you want to use as profile picture. Then click on submit. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye.